Have you ever wondered how the Indian economy, one of the fastest growing in the world, came into being? The story begins back in 1947, when the country gained independence. At that time, the Indian economy grappled with the aftermath of partition, widespread poverty, and a near absence of infrastructure. It was a challenging period, to say the least. But then, something transformative happened. The government introduced the concept of 5-year plans, inspired by the Soviet Union's model. These plans became the blueprint for economic development. Industries, banks, and insurance companies were nationalized, shifting control from private to public hands. It was a bold move, sparking controversy and debate. Yet, it was also a crucial step in laying the foundations of the economy. And so, from the ashes of partition, a new economy was slowly but steadily rising. A phoenix was taking flight, ready to soar into the economic stratosphere. Parallel to the rebuilding of the economy, another powerful entity was taking shape: the Indian stock market. The establishment of the Bombay Stock Exchange in the late 19th century marked a pivotal moment in India's financial history. It was more than just a marketplace for securities. It was a beacon of economic hope, a platform that mobilized resources for the burgeoning Indian economy. As the nation's financial pulse quickened, so did the need for regulation. The Securities Contracts Regulation Act of 1956 was a significant stride in this direction, establishing a legal framework for securities trading in India. Fast forward a few decades, and the establishment of the Securities and Exchange Board of India in 1988 further bolstered the governance of the stock market. Tasked with protecting investor interests and ensuring market integrity, SEBI became the custodian of India's financial market. The Indian stock market had begun to make its presence felt, ready to play a vital role in the country's future. The year 1991 marked a turning point in the history of the Indian economy and stock market. This was the year of economic liberalization, a momentous shift that allowed the Indian market to open its doors to foreign investors. The transformation was dramatic and far-reaching, impacting every corner of the country's economy. Before 1991, the Indian market was characterized by protectionism, with stringent regulations and licensing systems that restricted foreign investments. However, the financial crisis of the early 90s forced the government to rethink its strategies. Driven by necessity, India embarked on a path of economic liberalization, loosening its grip on the market and allowing foreign investments to flow in. The effects were immediate and profound. The influx of foreign investments breathed new life into the Indian stock market. The capital market became more dynamic, and the market capitalization grew exponentially. The economic liberalization also spurred the growth of the IT and service sectors, which played a crucial role in transforming India into a global economic powerhouse. The Indian stock market became a barometer of the country's economic health, reflecting the growth and dynamism of the Indian economy. The liberalization opened up a world of opportunities for investors, both domestic and international. The Indian market, once closed and restrictive, became a vibrant and exciting place for investments. India had opened its doors to the world, and the world, in turn, started recognizing India as a promising investment destination. Fast forward to today, and you'll find an Indian economy and stock market that are the envy of many. The Indian economy, once a fledgling in the global arena, now stands as an example of robust growth and resilience. India's gross domestic product, or GDP, has been growing at an impressive pace, making it one of the fastest growing major economies in the world. The story of the Indian stock market is no different. It has evolved into a dynamic platform that mirrors the country's economic progress. With an increase in foreign investments, the stock market has witnessed a significant surge, highlighting the confidence of global investors in the Indian growth story. Moreover, the rise of Indian multinational corporations has been a testament to the country's economic prowess. Companies like Reliance Industries, Tata Group, and Infosys have not just made a mark domestically, but also on the global stage, showcasing the potential of Indian entrepreneurship and innovation. The journey of the Indian economy and stock market has not been without its challenges. Yet, the country has faced these hurdles head-on, turning each one into a stepping stone towards further growth and development. Yes, we have come a long way. From the struggles of the early post-independence days to becoming one of the fastest-growing economies and stock markets in the world. It's a journey that makes every Indian proud.